Hello friends, today, I want to tell you about use guava leaves to beat wrinkles, acne, dark spots and skin allergies. How to use. Probably all of us have sometimes suffered from certain skin issue, whether it be wrinkles, acne, blemishes, hypersensitivities or dark spots all over the face. One solution is to use guava leaves, which are very effective in cases of skin issues. 1. Cure atopic dermatitis. These leaves relieve the redness and irritation caused by atopic dermatitis. Moreover, they contain anti-allergic properties that inhibit the creation of histamines, chemicals that are released in the body as part of an allergic reaction, causing the typical itching, sneezing, wheezing and swelling allergy symptoms. 2. Acne treatments. The American Journal of Chinese Medicine published a study which revealed that guava leaves are highly beneficial against microscopic organisms causing acne, since they possess extremely powerful antibacterial properties. Besides eliminating the causes of acne, guava leaves can soothe your skin and reduce the appearance of pimples. 3. Elimination of wrinkles. It has been scientifically proved that the leaves of guava are even more beneficial than the fruit. They contain anti-cancer properties and can successfully destroy free radicals in the body. Consequently, guava leaves represent a potent anti-wrinkle tool. In addition, they are extremely beneficial in improving the quality of the skin. 4. Lighten dark spots. Guava leaves can also be used in treatments of blemishes, such as red and dark spots on your face. They act as a toning agent and help reduce irritation by destroying microscopic organisms. Method of treatment. In case of atopic dermatitis, take dried guava leaves, crush them and add them to a tub of warm water. This will efficiently relieve itching and redness, thus easing the uncomfortable feeling they produce. In all other cases, you should take a couple of guava leaves, crush them and add them to a saucepan of boiling water. Let them boil until the water turns brownish and looks concentrated. Then, take it away from fire and leave it to cool. Afterwards, apply the tonic all over your face, or on the affected area, using a cotton ball. Let it act for about 15 minutes, and then wash your face with lukewarm water. For better results, the treatment should be repeated twice a week. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family.